Hey there everyone, welcome to the UkeStuff channel, and today I have another unboxing for you. This was the cheapest, what looked to be functional ukulele on eBay. Now, a few of you might be wondering, why do you buy these cheap ukuleles all the time? And here's the answer. Number one, they're affordable, but number two, really, I'm a music educator, and right now I'm teaching students K through 5, which would be basically age 5 through 11 right now. And I used to teach middle school students, which would be the next age level up. But what that means is I have a lot of beginning players, especially I start ukulele in 5th grade with my students, and there's a lot that want to buy an ukulele, and there are a lot of parents that just go out and buy one. So there's nothing really stopping them from going to Amazon and hitting click. Recently I've had a bunch of posts on one of my reviews of an instrument that I didn't like, and people that are just saying, oh man, you were right, man, you were right, you were right. But the hope is that if somebody's going to buy something, that they'll do just a second look on Google about the instrument, maybe find the 1-minute review here, maybe find the unboxing, maybe find the full review, and do a little bit of homework before buying it. That's really the goal for me as a music educator. And if I find something really, really good, like the IRC Pineapple, another instrument I recently bought that still sells for under $27, although you have to wait for it to ship from China. And it's kind of unclear how that's all working out right now. But if you find something like that that you can recommend, that's really kind of good too for people. So here it is. It came in just a box, and it's not necessarily padded. So this is not typical Amazon. It was sent first class, so it got here pretty quick. So I had no complaints about that. Unlike a lot of instruments from China right now that are disappearing or just not finding their way in the system. Since March, I've ordered 3 ukuleles that just disappeared. I had a ear-in plastic ukulele ordered that just disappeared. Then I had 2 IRC Sopranos bought off eBay that disappeared, and was refunded for all of those. So we're not sure, quite honestly, if any of them ever shipped or if it was unethical sellers. But the people that I ordered from, AliExpress and eBay, both immediately sent refunds. So no complaints there. The problem is you're looking forward to this ukulele, inexpensive ukulele, to review the ukulele, and then it just doesn't show up. So all right, so here it is. Should be all sliced open, and let's take a look. Inside you get the world's smallest box, like that. Man, this looks even smaller than a traditional. It is. Wow. Finding out more about it. In case Sawtooth. We'll talk about Sawtooth in a second. And here is the ukulele. We'll take a look at it. Now, it appears to be, I'm going to have to put on my glasses here to see what's all going on. It appears to be a wood back with a wood top. It's got a high sheen on it. The fretboard is painted. It's the Rise by Sawtooth. It's a very small body. It's almost like a Soprano. Just take a look on the inside. Strings are plastic. They are not fluorocarbon, that I can tell you. The strings are all of the same size. I could get the caliper to test that, and we'll take a look at what's going on here. So let me get the tuner out, and we'll see if we can even possibly tune it. Alright, you can see what's going to happen with this. Definitely going to need other strings. The action is ridiculously high, both at the 1st fret and at the 12th fret. Have no idea about the construction yet. We'll barely have room to get a camera in there. We'll check it out. Based on just the external appearance, it doesn't look horrible. The tuners are ridiculously large for that small of a headstock. So we'll come back in a couple weeks with this. This might have its first opportunity to earn a 0 rating. We'll see. for an ukulele. Now again, there aren't a whole lot of great bargains to be found under probably $50 is the point, but there are some to be found under $50. For example, that IRC Soprano I would recommend any day of the week, but this one probably is not going to be there, but we'll see. And like always, you can set things up. So I will after I review it, if I can review it, if it'll even stay in tune with these strings. I can put different strings on it. I can adjust the action, I think. Maybe not. I'll just show you. The saddle has sort of like a mushroom aspect, so it's a really tiny slot. And yeah, so that saddle may not even be adjustable. And if that's the case, then this becomes just, what do you call it, a wall hanger or a birdhouse or something like that. But it's worth it because, again, if I can review it and if it's not good, I can let people know. Now, again, if it is a complete disaster, that's okay too. Number one, it's content for the channel. And then number two, if there actually is a parent out there somewhere or someone that's considering buying an ukulele, they're trying to spend as little as possible, and they do just 1 ounce of prevention and search for the review, then maybe they can find it. So that covers the unboxing. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day. And as always, I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.